Meaning of harmonize.
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 Harmonize. The term harmonize refers to the process of bringing different elements or components into agreement or unity. When two or more things are harmonized, they work together seamlessly, enhancing each other's effectiveness and creating a cohesive whole. This can apply to musical notes, colors in a painting, or even political policies. The ultimate result of harmonization is balance, coherence, and synergy, where all the parts work together to produce a greater outcome than any individual piece on its own. Harmonization is a powerful tool to promote collaboration, understanding, and successful outcomes in various domains.